Guys, for today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang 10 reason why I choose Own Bank as one of my online banks and why I am happy to recommend this bank to everyone. So kung gusto niyo malaman yan, samahan niyo ako. Sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience at ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas at kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, just a disclaimer lang, I am not a financial advisor, so please take all the information here with caution before making a financial decision. Okay, so let's start. So, Own Bank is one of the banks na ginagamit ko na. Dati ni-review ko siya and I had hindi magandang feedback for using the app. Eventually, they evolved and had better service right now. Masasabi ko right now, nakikipagsabayan na siya with the likes of Cbank and GoTime. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang 10 reason kung bakit ko ginagamit ang Own Bank and bakit ko rin nire-recommend na gamitin nyo rin siya. Okay, simulan na natin sa pang number 10, which is, syempre, katulad ng ibang mga online banks right now, si Own Bank ay zero maintaining balance. Anong ibig sabihin? Wala namang kailangan maging laman yung Own Bank mo just to have an Own Bank account. Hindi katulad ng mga traditional banks natin na may minimum na 3,000, may minimum na 10,000 for the passbook, may minimum na 25,000 pa nga. With Own Bank, there's no maintaining balance. Katulad din siya ng ibang mga online banks and digital banks natin na walang maintaining balance. Number 9, dahil medyo hindi ganun kakilala si Own Bank. Lately lang natin siya narinig, di ba? Si Own Bank ay isang rebranded na bank coming from a rural bank in Cavite. So, hindi siya ganun kakilala, di ba? Well, kahit hindi siya ganun kakilala, I can say na si Own Bank ay under ng PDIC. And if you search PDIC's website na member banks nila, makikita nyo si Own Bank na nandito siya. Number 133. Ito yung PDF file na galing mismo kay PDIC ng mga member bank nila. Anong ibig sabihin kapag member bank si Own Bank ng PDIC? Ibig sabihin lang nun na every depositor, their deposit amount ay insured up to 500,000 pesos. Meaning, kung naglagay ako ng 500,000 pesos kay Own Bank, insured yon from bankruptcy. So at least hindi ka kakaba-kaba na anytime na mag-bankrupt yung banko na yan, magkikick in yung insurance coming from PDIC. Okay, for our number 8 reason, Own Bank now has a virtual debit card that you can turn on and off. Pwede mo nang gamitin itong bank account mo if you're going to purchase online and mas secure na rin siya kasi you have the ability to turn it off pag hindi mo ginagamit. At least, iwas hack kasi kapag naka-turn off ang inyong debit card with Own Bank, well, kahit na anong access pa, kung sino man nakakaalam ng inyong card number and CVC, well, hindi nila magagalaw yan. Until such time na gagamitin mo, dun mo lang siya i-on para mas secure, di ba? Okay, moving on sa number 7 natin, which is, yung Own Bank card natin na yan is customizable. Anong ibig sabihin? Well, you can enter at least the last 4 digit of your card number. So, pwede, kunyari, meron kang birthday mo, January 1, 0101. Yun. Pwede mong ilagay sa debit card mo na last 4 digit. So, makakustomize mo yan pag pre-process mo yung virtual debit card mo with Own Bank. Okay, number 6. Own Bank has one of the highest time deposit interest rate at 7.5% interest per annum for a 365-day tenure or 1-year tenure. Parang sila na may pinakamalaking interest rate sa time deposit. Kasama niya dati si MaxiSave ni CIMB na 7.5 din. Pero kung titingnan nyo si CIMB ngayon, nasa 6.5 na lang yata o 6.25 ang 1 year na time deposit niya. So, medyo bumaba na sila. Si Own Bank, right now guys, the prevailing rate, hindi pa bumababa. So, if you want a higher return on your money, well, head over kay Own Bank at mag-time deposit kayo. Number 5 on our list is the stackable interest ni GoTyme. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Nagbibigay kasi sila ng voucher. Kung naka-receive ka ng voucher, pwede mong mapataas yung daily interest na nakukuha mo kay Ownbank. You can go as high as 100%, 200%, 300%, or even 1,000% kung ganun karami ang inyong vouchers. Just to show you na possible yan, ito yung aking interest rate per annum. Okay, number 4. So, hindi lang naman pagsisave ang meron kay Ownbank. Meron din si Ownbank na unlimited earning opportunity by referring. So, katulad ko, isa yan sa pinagkakakitaan ko. I'm using my referral code and referral link na sinishare ko dito sa akin. And kung sino man ang mag-open ng Ownbank account with my referral code and referral link, mag-earn ako ng mga vouchers, mga 300k trial vouchers. Ang katumbas ng 300k trial vouchers ay 40 pesos. So, isipin nyo na lang kung gaano karaming nare-refer nyo times 40 pesos yan. So, net interest na yon ng 300k voucher. Pwede kayong mag-refer ng walang limit. So, kahit pa paano mataas ang earning opportunity mo with Ownbank. Maliban sa 300k trial voucher, magkakaroon ka pa ng additional 1%, 2%, 3% na interest voucher na pwede mong gamitin naman yan para mapataas yung net interest ng perang nakadeposit sa Ownbank account mo. Magagamit natin si Ownbank for us kung gusto nating mag-convert ng G-credit natin na maging cash. Okay? Meron akong video na lang, which is yan, na instruction yan kung paano nyo gagamitin yung G-credit nyo na maging cash. Napakasimpleng paraan lang naman. However guys, I just want to note na nagtaas na ng minimum na cash-in amount kay Ownbank. So, para makuha nyo yung Dragon Pay reference number na katulad niyan, well, kailangan nyo mag-cash in ng 1,000 pesos. I think ang minimum naman nating G-credit is nasa 1,000 pesos. So, medyo pasok na yan if we want to cash in using your G-credit. Number 2 natin, which is the free InstaPay transfer or free bank transfer. May it be InstaPay or PesoNet. As in, unlimited. Wala tayong babayaran right now. Free ang transfer natin sa kahit na anong banks or e-wallet. Wala tayong service fee. Versus kay C-Bank na after 15 bank transfer, magkakaroon ka na ng service fee dyan. Or with GoTyme na after 3 bank transfer per week, mayroon ka nang babayarang 8 pesos. Siguro, if I compare it, katulad siya ni CIMB na unlimited ang bank transfer right now. For our number one na, which is the base interest of 6% per annum sa savings. Ito yung pinakamaganda sa Ownbank. Right now, guys, kung makagawa kayo ng account with Ownbank, i-avail nyo itong 6% kasi si Ownbank lang ang may pinakamataas right now na 6% interest na uncapped. Ibig sabihin na you can go over as much as 1 million, 2 million na 6% ang interest rate per annum. And guys, itong 6% na to, napakalaki nito versus sa mga ibang banks natin na nandito right now. And base interest siya guys, wala kang ibang gagawin. Mararanasan mo yung daily crediting ng net interest at a gross of 6% per annum. O diba? May couple of mishaps nga lang with Ownbank, but they're working on it right now and maglalabas din sila ng updated app with new features na maaasahan natin kay Ownbank. Kung wala ka pang Ownbank account, well, it's your time. Bakit? Kasi if you use my referral code or referral link, yung 6% na base interest mo ay madadagdagan pa yan ng additional 6%. That's a total of 12% interest rate per annum. And mag-deposit ka lang ng 50 pesos and let it stay there for 3 days, makakatanggap ka pa ng additional na 300k trial voucher. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito, if you open this 300k trial voucher, magkakaroon ng 300k pesos yung bank account mo, which is hindi siya withdrawable, but it can earn an interest for 1 day. And ang katumbas na interest noon ay 40 pesos. So, nag-create ka lang ng account, ginamit mo lang yung referral code ko, at nag-deposit ka lang ng 50 pesos, magiging 90 pesos na kagad yung na-i-deposit mo. And syempre, dahil meron kang 12%, mas mataas ang magiging net income from interest ng pera nilagay mo with Ownbank. Okay, for our question of the day, which of these 10 reason ang pinaka-swak na swak para sa'yo? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayo manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And syempre, huwag nyo kalimutang maglagay ng hashtag Road to 100k sub para sa chance nyo naman manalo ng cellphone sa ating monthly cellphone giveaway until we reach the 100k subscriber milestone. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Nora Round 3275. Sabi niya, Thank you so much sa collab nyo. Dami ko na-learn. Heart, heart, heart. At Nora around 3275, shoutout po sa inyo at maraming salamat din po sa pagsuporta nyo sa amin, sa aming collab ni Ate Red. Maraming salamat po. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me. Be subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto, and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!